Right. So let's talk about the proceeds, use of the proceeds, because that's going to be key for persons as they think about, should I participate? Should I not participate?
Yes.
So give us some more details around that.
Yeah, so we held our EGM in August, and we outlined that the proceeds from the rights issue will effectively fully about 95%, 90% going towards the acquisition of Visual Vibe, right? The remainder is around fees. We also have a bond with Sagicor that we got in 2020 when we're experiencing cash flow issues, around 24 million. We've since paid down interest, principals, and I think it's about 20 million that we're going to pay down to clear the bond. So we want to put that because with this rights issue, we're also cleaning up the balance sheet. Right?
Nice.
The balance sheet.
Important to point out that the cleaning up of the balance sheet.
Yeah.
What else will transpire? So taking off the bond.
Yeah, we've done most of the heavy lifting since our investments that we got in 2018 in terms of paying up our taxes. We don't have any tax liability at this point